guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke and I want to show you guys something you typically don't see every day. This is a 1961 Chevrolet Corvair 95 Rampside pickup. Now before I tell you more, a quick word from our sponsor.
Life is too short to drive foreign cars!
So what's unique about this vehicle here is it features an intercooled rear-mounted engine, which was pretty unique, for an American vehicle at the time. Typically, you would see this in your Asian or European, marketplaces, places that, use these for commercial use, just like these here in America were designed for. And this one, as you can see, has that ramp down on the side, hence Rampside. But yeah, these were specifically designed for commercial use in the US markets. All right guys, so let's take a look at the exterior here. Now, the color you're seeing, it's almost like a coral color. I'm not sure how it's gonna show up on the camera, but it is really distinct in person, and it's very funky for an American vehicle, especially with this color and the white that you see. But it is a 1960s Americana-esque vehicle. And as you move down the side, Corvair 95 badging on the side. As we look a little bit to the left and a little bit lower, you'll notice our 14-inch steel wheels with our chrome hubcaps. And I just love the tires, how it has that coral accents as well to match. And then you'll notice right here, this is how the ramp folds down. It doesn't just fold down here, you also have functionality towards the rear. So let's head down just a little bit further. And as we get towards the rear, look at those taillights. It's pretty funky stuff. And our Chevrolet badging, of course, right there. But I really like the white bumpers on the rear and on the front. I think it's such a nice touch. All right, so what's powering this thing? You're looking at a 2.4 liter flat six. Now that's nothing new nowadays, but back in 1961, that was pretty revolutionary at the time. Now having it mounted back here in that, horizontal configuration with the cylinders allowed for, a better cooling effect for this vehicle. And that was important as, like I said, this was a commercial vehicle, so you were throwing stuff in here and kind of adding load for this engine. As we take a peek inside, you'll notice, it's kind of cozy in here, but it is still utilitarian. There's gray cloth interior and it provides, comfortable seating for your driver and your passengers. And there is a locking glove box so you can secure your storage or, your personal belongings. And I would say the interior layout is pretty thoughtfully designed. You have controls and you have gauges that are placed within easy reach, for your maybe driver convenience or passenger convenience. In addition to what we have said, we also have a fully painted rear bed. The tires have been changed. The engine has been tuned. This thing is ready to be sold on the auction block, but we saw it on the docket and it's something you really don't see every day. We, of course, had to bring it to you guys. But what I'm curious about is how you feel about it. So write in the comments down below your thoughts, and we hope you guys enjoyed today's video.